फरेबे नजर है सकूनो सबात, तड़पता है हर जर्रे कायनात, ठहरता नहीं कारवाने वजूद के हर लहजा है ताजा शाने वजूद, समझता है तू राज है जिंदगी, फकत ज़ौक़ परवाज है जिंदगी, जवानों को मेरी आहे सह दे, फिर इन शाही बच्चों को बालों पर दे, खुदाया आरज़ू मेरी यही है, मेरा नूरे बसीरत आम कर दे।
ये आज का मौजू से बड़ी रेलेवेंट है आपके।
वेरी नाइस बेटा, वेल डन।
जी बिस्मिल्लाह करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, I am sure that you must have a good weekend and may have thought something about the observation, the topic we have started. And so far we had 2 lectures. One was on observation. The second one was on the change. Today we are going to have a third lecture. And topic is change is constant. Anybody who can explain what is change and what is constant? इस टॉपिक की आपको समझ आ रही है?
जी सर।
Yes, sir.
जी सर।
Anyone? जी बताइए बेटा. What is change? Okay, we will discuss this topic from the beginning. Change is constant. That means change is occurring without any fail. The only thing which is constant is the change which is going on. For those who don't know me, my name is Naveez Zafar and I will be conducting this lecture for another 40 minutes. आप लोगों को ये इल्म होगा कि दुनिया में चीजें चेंज होती हैं, दे कीप चेंजिंग, और ये जो चेंज है ये 3 पैटर्न में होती है। कुछ चीजें चेंज होती हैं पार्शली, जैसे अगर आप राइट कॉर्नर पे देखें तो अ लिटिल गर्ल इज चेंजिंग हर पोज, द गर्ल इज सेम but she is changing her pose and posture. So anything which changes partially, we call it that she is different. उर्दू में इसको फर्क कहते हैं, उसकी पहली पोजीशन और दूसरी पोजीशन में फर्क है। तो जो चीज पार्शली चेंज हो उसे डिफरेंट कहते हैं। There are things which do not change, they remain the same. So there is a change, we can call it no change. Whenever you will see, you will find the same thing. So we call it no change, or in more common word, we call it constant. जैसे पत्थर हैं, ये they don't change. इसके ऊपर एक प्रोवर्ब भी है, मुहावरा भी है कि पत्थर दिल हो गया, कि उसके जो दिल में किसी किस्म की चेंज नहीं आ सकती। इसको उर्दू में मुस्तकिल कहते हैं, परमानेंट या सबात भी कहते हैं, एक ही जगह पे है, देयर इज नो चेंज। और एक तीसरी टाइप की चेंज होती है जिसमें पूरी चीज ही रिप्लेस हो जाती है, तब्दील हो जाती है। So, can human change completely, or they become different?
No. Yeah, they become different.
They can become different. So there is a partial change in humans, but in normal thing there can be a permanent change, and we say replace. तो जब आप कहते हैं कि तब्दील हो गया, we normally mention कि partially change has occurred, but complete change can also take place. Yet you have changed the shirt, कि आपने अपनी shirt change कर दी, you have replaced it. So you have to understand the difference between फर्क, तब्दील एंड मुस्तकिल. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो हम चेंज को और कांस्टेंट को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. सो चेंज इज समथिंग विच बिकम्स डिफरेंट ओवर द टाइम. कि जो आप शुरू में देखेंगे तो कोई चीज और होगी, थोड़ी देर के बाद देखेंगे तो वो चीज मुख्तलिफ हो सकती है. तो ये क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? वाई शुड वी स्टडी दिस सब्जेक्ट? This we will come to know during this presentation, during this lecture. If you see the next slide, you will find there are few things. Can somebody explain what all are these? एक एक कम के बताएंगे कोई?
Sir, animals.
Sir, these all are living.
Sir, living and non-living things.
What is on the left corner? Books. और books के नीचे क्या है?
Flowers.
Flowers के राइट साइड पे क्या है?
Cat.
कैट के ऊपर क्या है?
Man and a rock.
एंड अ रॉक.
Person
और
and a rock.
कैट के राइट साइड पे क्या है?
Bicycle.
और बाइसिकल के राइट पे क्या है?
Cow.
और काऊ के ऊपर क्या है?
Tree.
और ट्री के ऊपर क्या है?
Bird.
अच्छा, इन कैन वी कैटेगराइज और क्लासिफाई दीज थिंग्स? इनमें से कौन कौन सी चीज है जो मैन मेड है, जो इंसानों ने बनाई है? कौन कौन सी चीज है?
Books, bicycle. Sir, books and bicycle.
Books and bicycle. They have been made by men, by
Yes.
humans.
Yes, sir.
Can these things change at their own?
No, they can't.
They can't. जो नेचुरल चीजें हैं वो चेंज हो सकती है खुद?
No. Yes, they can.
Yes.
Yeah, they can.
They
Books
can
can
change. Rock can change.
How?
Rock can change. I am asking you. You have to tell me.
No.
Can rock erode?
Yes.
So can it change?
Yes.
How tree will change?
Sir, first
Sir, it grow.
the baby bird, and then it will grow and it will change into a tree.
Can cat change?
Yes.
How?
Then it will change into a cat.
Can cat change its position?
Yes.
Yes.
The change cannot be only within, rather it can be that change of position. Okay?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
there is one thing in this picture which is different than others from the rest of the pictures. What is that?
A bird is flying.
Yes, very nice, excellent. The bird is doing some activity. Rest are not doing any activity. But we know that humans keep doing some activities. Are
Yes.
human, cow and cat, are they breathing?
Yes.
Can we see that breathing?
Yes.
No or yes? That means,
No.
but we can't see, but we understand that things can occur, they can happen even if we don't see it. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes.
From our experience, we know that
Yes.
human breathe, cow also breathe, and cat also breathe.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can we give one name to all these three things? एक नाम रख सकते हैं सबका, सब चीजों का?
Yes, sir.
क्या
Yes.
नाम है?
Yes. Living and
What
non-living things.
ये
Living things and non-living things.
इसके अलावा एक रख सकते हैं सबका नाम, वन.
No.
Okay, I give you a hint. Yes, we can.
Okay.
Have you heard of the noun? Noun.
Yeah, these all are nouns.
Yes.
Yes.
So one thing is that we can say these are noun. We can also say they are living and non-living, and we can also name them individually. The books, the rock, cat, and even we can give a name to the cat also.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
So we can name different things, and we can differentiate that which are the things which are changing, which are those things which are constant. Like we said, rock is constant. Okay. Now we have a interesting diagram in front of us. There are certain things which changes at their own, like the light in the day, in the night. We don't do anything, but it keeps changing. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes.
We also experience that temperature is also changing. Sometime it is hot, sometime it is not.
Yes.
What else changes at its own? Can anybody tell me? Age. What else? Anything else? which change-
Or mind.
Okay. What else changes at its own?
Sir, all the living things are changing.
Okay. Okay. There are certain things which human makes the changes. Like on the right corner, you can see a road. It is being constructed on the land. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
And we are using certain material, certain machines to make those changes. So these are not the natural changes, but we are using them to change. Okay, how do we know that these are the good material to make road? What do you think that how come we know these are the only material which can be used to make roads?
Sir, because we have used them and we know that we have used them and we know that they are the only materials we can use to create road.
Okay, this brings me to this point that we have discussed during last lecture, that it is the observation which we know, which helps us to decide which is good for us. So somebody observed that if we mix these materials, we can find a perfect solution to make a road. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you suggest another way to make a road?
Sir, by using dirt.
Okay. Can we use cement?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
We can make roads. So this way, if you improve your observation, You can write a book, you can write an article, other people will read. They know that you have experimented, you have experienced, and this is the best way to make roads. Okay? So changes what we make in this world is directly related to the observation we make. Okay, in front of us, we have a life cycle of a person. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the change which is occurring?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A baby boy is growing first, which I have shown with the red line. And then he is becoming,
A man.
he is aging, okay, the same man. So is change occurring throughout his life cycle?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have two words for change. One is that he is growing and he is getting age. He is aging. So to represent same change, we can use different words, but they mean different things to us. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming to this, can human make any change in themselves?
Yes.
How?
Okay.
How can they make change in themselves? One is a natural change. One is the natural change which is taking place. How humans can make change in themselves?
In their face.
By wearing different clothes, hairstyle. करो ना, बोलो यही वाली चीज़।
Changes in by itself.
Change in their mind.
आप सबको कंप्यूटर का पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
कंप्यूटर में हार्डवेयर होता है ना, you can make changes in hardware and you can make changes in software.
Yes. Yes.
So human mind is like a computer that you can change, make changes in its operating system, that how we operate, how we observe, how we think, how we link. You understand? So humans also have an operating system like Android, like Windows, like Apple. They have their own operating system. So education is a mean, it is a way, a method to change your mind, your thinking, your understanding. And if you do that, you make change in yourself. Is it so?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
And if we all make changes in ourselves, we can become a good nation. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One man can also become good, but a family can become a good, whole society can become good, and the complete country can become very good. So this is the reason that we need to understand the process of change. We should develop the habit of changing ourselves. Anything which is not good in us, we must identify, we must observe, and we must know how to change that thing. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is in front of you right now?
A car that is moving.
A car that's moving.
A moving car. Sorry?
What is it? A moving car. Okay. I say that car is not moving, background is moving. Is it so?
No. No, the car is moving.
No, sir, the car is moving.
Yes, sir. The
Yes.
car is moving.
Car is moving or background is moving?
The car is
Car is moving.
Just see the position of car, it is in the center of screen.
Yes. Yes.
See, after 2 minutes, it is again in the center of the screen. So what is the thing which is moving?
The wheels.
Just see a tree is coming from the right and it is going toward the left. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So always know what is moving. Okay, don't get disillusioned. Don't get confused. Be very sure what is changing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is this car moving now?
No. No. The man is pushing the car. The car is not moving by itself.
Car is not moving by itself. It's a very intelligent question. And man is pushing it. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So a man can move a car. Car position is changing.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to understand that how this change is occurring. Yes, we understand that man is pushing the car, but we have to understand what it takes to make a change. Now, on this picture, we have 4 cases. We will start from the right. We can see grass, a horse on the second level, and a cart. The horse takes the grass and it generates the ability to move a cart. True?
Move a car.
ये जो है ना घोड़ा ये घास खाता है उसमें एबिलिटी पैदा होती है टू प्रोड्यूस फोर्स और उस फोर्स को यूज करता है टू टेक अवे द कार्ट ठीक है दूसरी वाली पिक्चर देखते हैं जो ह्यूमंस हैं दे कंज्यूम फूड दे हैव द एनर्जी दे कैन नाउ हैव द एबिलिटी टू पुश और अगर आप कोई चीज फोर्स आप में जनरेट हो जाए तो आप चीजों को लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं कैरी कर सकते हैं पुश कर सकते हैं यू कैन ब्रिंग चेंज ओके सिमिलरली इफ यू यूज फ्यूल you can run an engine, you can produce a force, and force can be used to move a car. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now we have electricity. We can make an electric motor that can be used to run a machine. तो इस फिगर में आपको ये समझना चाहिए if we need to make a change, we should have energy. We should have a machine and ability to do that particular job.
Yes.
And then we can make use of that force and that ability to make the change which we want to make the change. Okay?
Yes.
So energy is essential. A machine and ability is required. And then we must know how we have to make use of that force or that ability. So these are in 3 tiers, 4 different examples. तो सबसे नीचे एनर्जी है, फिर फोर्स है और फिर वर्क है. You understand? These all are interlinked.
Yes.
Now coming to the most interesting example, and now this is your test and challenge also. We know that we have a seed, बीज है हमारे पास. हम बीज को अगर जमीन में दबा दें तो we get cotton plant में से, and we can pick that cotton. We can pick that cotton and the seeds also. जो seeds है ना वो भी बन जाते हैं. So from that cotton we make thread. From that thread we use a machine to make cloth. Cloth ko again we use a machine to make dress. Now just see from a very small seed, we have produced many things by changing different things. In your opinion, I would like to know that how seed is changed to become a plant. From where energy comes?
From the sun.
It is a good answer. Sun is a good answer. Then nutrients from the soil, the water, and this plant grows naturally. ठीक है ना?
Question. So what's the question?
Yes.
What's the question?
Question is that how seed changes to become a cotton plant.
Sir, in soil, the seed it basically gets all the nutrients it needs, and if you water it daily, then it will produce its food called glucose, and over time, it will start to grow, and then it turns into cotton plant. And you get seeds from this, so you can keep on doing this again and again, so it can reproduce more cotton for more fabric.
Okay, you have rightly mentioned it.
It takes a lot of time to grow cotton.
Okay. Again, you know, every seed will not give you a cotton. So somebody observed that this particular seed, if we can put in the soil at the right time, it will produce cotton. Okay? And along with cotton, it will also produce more seeds also. So somebody observed that this phenomena can take place. From cotton, we can make threads. From thread, we can develop a machine which can produce cloth, and cloth can be stitched through another machine to produce cloths. So what we are doing is that we are adding value from step 1 to step 2, and we are using natural process and machines together, and from the change which we are bringing, we are producing something worthwhile.
Yes.
ये बात समझ रहे हैं ना? तो should we value the cotton seed? क्या हमें cotton seed को value करना चाहिए?
Yes.
क्या हमें अपनी land को value करना चाहिए?
जी sir.
Water को करना चाहिए?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Who is the person who does this? A farmer? A grower? ये काम कौन करता है?
Sir, हम सारे करते हैं. If we keep the land clean, then like no harmful substances will be soil. The farmers do most of the work, but all of us can do our part to help the first.
Okay, what do you think? Who has made this machine which can make thread from the cotton? Somebody has made this machine which can
The
convert.
factory.
Say it again, please.
Factory.
Yes, factory. So, you know how many people are involved in this process? How many people get job?
Sir, more than 1,000.
Yes, there are many people. So, if somebody doesn't work in this whole cycle, one industry doesn't work, the farmer doesn't work, will it affect the other people?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we should respect all the profession. We should respect all the profession, and we should decide that what kind of change you can bring to Pakistan. Can you think of some change?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way you must have seen that things are connected. The professions are connected, the process are connected, the academics is connected, that we produce engineers which can design these kind of machines. We know we can have a tailor which can stitch. Okay, who is the one who has made everything? Like I asked that you have to name one. You said that it is noun. Then we talked of a verb. Who has made all this?
Allah.
Yes, very nice answer. Allah has made us also, humans also, given us intelligence also, given us the understanding also, observation skills also, and opportunities also. So we must respect Allah Almighty, okay? Next.
Yes.
Okay.
What you can see in this picture?
See, everything is moving.
Just have a good look.
Wind. Wind.
Okay, very nice answer.
All four pictures show that there are
From this snow.
This storm is natural or unnatural? Man-made. So what did we observe? Humans observe from the storm that it has the force. It can change the position of people. It can push the trees. Is it so?
Yes.
yes.
Then human decided that we can also create storm as per requirement with a fan. Is it so?
Yes.
Now they also decided that we can make a helicopter also, which can accelerate the wind, and we can make use of the force which is produced by this. You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Now imagine that we started off from the observing the nature and we made something which is useful. Is it so?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can see the importance of observation. You can see the importance of change, what kind of change we can bring in our own life by understanding the principle of nature. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, we are humans. A small boy, through education, he can bring change in his operating system, in his understanding. So he or she can become a pilot, a doctor, engineer, or anything. So there should be some change in your mind which is meaningful, like change how you can observe better, change how you can understand the change, and how you can apply that change usefully and gainfully. So this is the reason that you are taught in schools, you are introduced to different subjects, so you understand that how nature works. So scientists tell us how nature works with their observation, and we make use of those observations, those principles, those laws to make useful things which are required to the society. Now we have a choice that we just improve as an individual or as a group, as a class, as a society, as a nation. So we have to learn many things, how to live together, how to grow together, how to change together, how to learn together, how to think together. All good nations, the developed nation, who have been able to make the helicopters, aircrafts, and different things, they have improved themselves as a nation. So with your education, with our education, we can do this thing collectively. Okay? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we have done today is that we have learned that how observation is connected with the change, and inshallah tomorrow we will study how to control that change. Because anything which is not controlled, it is not useful for us. So we have to learn control, how to control others, how to control things, and how to control ourselves. So what our religion tells us that how we have to control ourselves, we have to find that how we have to obey the law, how we have to be disciplined, how we have to be organized, so we can have a better control first of all on ourselves, then as a group, as a country, and then how we can proceed as a disciplined country. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see what Allama Iqbal said on observation. He said, खोल आंख जमीन देख, फलक देख, फजा देख, मशरक से उभरते हुए सूरज को जरा देख. So Allama Iqbal, our poet, he told us that we must keep our eyes open, we should be observant, we should see the nature. So nature includes earth, the sky, and the complete environment. Then we have to observe the sun, the Suraj, and why we have to see, because this is a huge source of energy. And now when we say dekh, that means we must observe. Now Allama Iqbal must have written lot many इस तरह के शेर नज़में दी हुई हैं. Can you find few for us and share with all the people? Any volunteer who can do this job?
Right now?
Yes,
No,
sir,
not
we will
right
do
now.
it.
On the weekend, maybe, on your own time. But give us some good कोई जो ना हमें बताएं, नज़म बताएं कि अल्लामा इकबाल ने ये कहा था. अच्छा, इसी तरीके से हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कुरान करीम में इसके बारे में क्या कहा गया. क्या हमें गौर व फिक्र करने के लिए कहा गया? अगर कहा गया तो कौन सी आयात हैं, कितनी आयात हैं, ये आपको नेट पे से मिल जाएगा. तो नेट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं, लेकिन बी वेरीफाई कि जो चीज़ लिखी हुई है नेट में वो ठीक भी है कि नहीं है, क्योंकि देयर आर मैनी फेक थिंग्स. तो फेक चीज़ को चेक करने का तरीका होता है कि स्टडी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सोर्सेज. एक सोर्स पे ना देखें, एक दो तीन चार जगह से जब आप रिसर्च करेंगे तो आपको सही चीज मिल जाएगी. एंड इफ यू आर स्टिल इन डाउट, आस्क फ्रॉम सम एल्डर. अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछ लें, अपने टीचर से पूछें, अपने कुलीग से भी पूछ लें कि मैंने ये डिस्कवर किया है, काइंडली चेक इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. सो ये जैसे एक शेर मिला था जो कि ऑब्जर्वेशन के हवाले से था. Let's see what Allama Iqbal has to say on the change. तो Allama Iqbal ने कहा कि सुकून मुहाल है कुदरत के कारखाने में, सबात एक तगैयर को है ज़ुबाने में. Anybody who can translate this for me or explain this? कुदरत के कारखाने का मतलब है नेचर में, सबात का मतलब है कांस्टेंट, और तगैयर का मतलब है कि जो चीज जिसमें फर्क आ जाता है, वेरिएबल जो. तो वो कहते हैं कि जो अल्लाह ताला के, अगर आप किसी भी चीज को देखें तो कोई चीज ऐसी नहीं जो अल्लाह ने बनाई हो और वो किसी एक्टिविटी में मशगूल ना हो, बेहतरी की कोशिश ना कर रही हो. छोटा सा प्लांट हो जाता है, बड़ा दरख्त बन जाता है. ऐसा ही होता है ना, कोशिश और एनर्जी का इस्तेमाल हो रहा होता है. तो हमें भी चाहिए कि हमने कांस्टेंट नहीं रहना. वी हैव टू मेक एंडेवर, वी हैव टू मेक एफर्ट टू इम्प्रूव आवरसेल्फ. वो हदीस नबवी भी है कि हमारा जो कल आने वाला है वो आज से बेहतर होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी बेटर. और आजकल जो मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड में इसको क्वालिटी कहते हैं. वी शुड कॉन्टिन्यूसली इम्प्रूव आवर क्वालिटी. सोचने की क्वालिटी भी, ऑब्जर्वेशन करने की क्वालिटी भी, चेंज करने की क्वालिटी को भी, चेंज से फायदा करने की क्वालिटी को भी. वी मस्ट लर्न फ्रॉम नेचर एंड वी मस्ट कीप इम्प्रूविंग. वी शुड नॉट बी लाइक अ स्टोन, नॉट चेंजिंग इवन इट्स पोजिशन. वी शुड बी लाइक अ वेरी डायनामिक पर्सन. हमारी जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है उसकी अपडेट होती रहनी चाहिए. We must keep improving without disturbing the nature. Okay? और इसी तरह अल्लामा इकबाल ने यह भी कहा कि निशान यही है जमाने में जिंदा कौमों का कि सुबह शाम बदलती हैं इनकी तकदीरें. When we make collective decision to improve, so Allah helps those nations to improve. तो दिन को भी और शाम को से मुराद है कि वेरी क्विकली, एट अ वेरी फास्टर रेट. we must keep changing. तो जब change कहते हैं तो it is not the meaning that we must decline, we must improve. तो हमें दिन रात improve करना है. तो आज मैंने लेक्चर थोड़ा सा छोटा रखा था ताकि आप लोग बोर ना हो, और अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन करना है अभी पूरे लेक्चर के बारे में या इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर्स के बारे में, यू कैन आस्क, एंड इफ यू वांट वी कैन कीप वन डे फॉर क्वेश्चन आंसर, जो कि वीक का आखिरी दिन थर्सडे को वी कैन कीप एवरी थर्सडे, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन सो यू कैन आस्क. ये जितनी चीजें हम सीख रहे हैं वो जो हम एक सीक्रेट मशीन बना रहे हैं इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, ये जो क्वालिटी ऑफ ऑब्जर्विंग, क्वालिटी ऑफ चेंजिंग, और कल जो पढ़ेंगे क्वालिटी ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग, दिस विल हेल्प अस टू डिजाइन एंड डेवलप दैट मशीन. और उसके बाद यू विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट. आपके पास वो चीज आ जाएगी जो कि आपको डिफरेंट कर देगी, आप में फर्क आ जाएगा, आपकी जो सोच है, जो थिंकिंग है वो बेहतर हो जाएगी, आपकी जो इमेजिनेशन है वो बेहतर हो जाएगी, आपकी जो विजुअलाइजेशन है वो बेहतर हो जाएगी, आपका कंट्रोल बेहतर हो जाएगा. और फिर हम सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर जाएंगे कि हम कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ते हैं, क्यों पढ़ते हैं, और हमें कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए. तो ग्रेजुअली वी विल कलेक्टिवली इम्प्रूव आवरसेल्फ. और इफ यू हैव क्वेश्चन, आई एम हैप्पी दैट आप लोग इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं, एंड दिस इंटरेस्ट विल मेक योर लाइफ डिफरेंट, क्योंकि आप वो चीजें फिर बाद में हम इनको एक्सपीरियंस भी करेंगे. देन वी विल हैव सम प्रैक्टिकल एक्सरसाइजेस जिसमें हम ये सारी चीजें इस्तेमाल कर रहे होंगे. तो आज के लिए मेरा लेक्चर इतना है. अभी अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है तो काइंडली पूछिए. So this was the first slide. इसमें से कोई चीज अगर आपने पूछनी हो यू कैन आस्क. अगर फर्क को उर्दू में बताना हो तो क्या कहेंगे आप, कौन सा लगा? जी बेटा पूछिए.
Nothing, sir.
नथिंग.
Yes, sir.
इस स्लाइड में कोई चीज है आपके पास?
No, sir.
Why do we have cow?
No.
Do you know? काऊ का क्या रोल है?
Sir, to give us meat and
Meat and milk. Yes, very very nice. And tree का क्या फंक्शन है? ट्री का
Give us oxygen and fruits.
We can get some fruits
okay.
Give us shade.
and
shelter.
from these tree leaves, some of the tree leaves.
Have you ever planted a tree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which tree it was? Fruit tree?
Yes, it was.
How many trees we should plant in our life? At least
At least more than 10.
more than 10. And what is the population of Pakistan? If everybody plants 10 trees, how many trees that we are going to have?
Pakistan is 212.2 million.
Sir, the population of Pakistan is 212.2 million.
Okay.
So 212.2 million multiplied by 10.
Okay,
20.
one question. One question. If we have more trees, will we have dust? Or we will have less dust?
We will have more dust.
More dust or less dust?
More dust.
We will have more rainfall?
Yes, sir.
What will be the effect on temperature?
The temperature will improve.
Cool.
cool. It will,
Cool or increase?
it will be cool.
Cool. Okay. Okay. How many books everybody should read in his life?
How much he can read?
How much one should read?
As much as he wants to.
Normally,
As much as the person wants.
okay, what is that book which is read the most in this world?
Quran Majid.
Quran. Holy Quran. Holy Quran.
Yes. And we have many Hafiz also. They memorize the complete book. So we should be reading it at least some pages, some ayat daily. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And any other question you would like to know about from this slide?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, from this slide.
No, sir.
Recently there was a sun eclipse. Are you aware of that?
Yes. Yes.
Suraj Grahan जिसे कहते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And what is that phenomena? What happened? Do you know?
Yes.
No, yes,
What
sir.
happened?
In that.
Sir, the moon comes in front, in the middle of the sun and the earth.
And then there are dangerous sun rays which can permanently blind us.
Very nice. Good. The moon. Why? How can moon come in between Earth and sun?
Sir,
Does the moon rotates, sun rotates, or Earth rotates?
sir, in its orbit.
Okay. And can we predict that on what date it is going to happen?
Yes, sir.
How?
15th of July.
How one found out? How did the scientists found out?
Sir, because of looking at the speed of the orbit of the
Satellites.
and observation.
Because they know what kind of change is taking place, because they know that what is the change which is going to occur because of the orbiting of moon and earth. So they can calculate. So this is another advantage, that if you can predict change, you can come to know about things before time. And then you can take precautions accordingly. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Anything from this slide? What do we call this, the machine we use to make the road?
Sir, bulldozer.
Road roller or bulldozer?
Road roller.
Road roller.
Sir,
Okay.
when you connect roller to the bulldozer, it turns into a road roller.
Do you know that from heat, ये जो होती है ना आग से, heat से, you can run an engine. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Heat से आप force generate कर सकते हो ना?
Using solar panel.
सोलर पैनल से भी कर सकते. और एनर्जी का क्या क्या सोर्सेज हैं? रनिंग वाटर से आप कुछ प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी?
Yes.
Hydroelectricity.
हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir,
ओके.
wind energy.
Wind energy, very nice. What else?
Solar energy.
Do you know that we have been using animal energy also?
Animal energy.
Yes. The cart, if you see, the
Sir,
cart.
we use the waste. We use the animal's waste.
waste also and energy also. The horse pulls the cart, so we are using the horse energy, and that is the reason that they call it horsepower, the car of the engine. They measure the power of the car in horsepower. Anything from this slide? Can you define machine? What is machine?
Anything that makes our lives easier.
Yes, very nice answer. Excellent answer. So, should we be making machines?
It's not bad to make.
Okay, any other question? If no question, then we can wind, because it is 5 o'clock now, and probably we have completed 1 hour. If you have any question, please do ask in the next session. And if you want to learn something, you must learn something on control, because we will be talking on control, inshallah, in tomorrow's session. So if there are no questions, then thank you very much. Yes.
सर मैं एक कोट सुनाऊं स्टेज पे
जी प्लीज प्लीज व्हाई
तो ये
नॉट
रॉय टी बेनेट का कोट है इफ यू वांट टू फ्लाई यू हैव टू गिव अप व्हाट वेज यू डाउन
very nice excellent.
थैंक यू सर
Okay, anyone else with anything to say? If no question, then it is Khuda Hafiz from my side. Take care, have a good evening. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज सर
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah
Hafiz, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
हाफिज सर
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, beta.